All right, so you can see here the painting in progress, and let's zoom out the things a little bit. Okay, so here let's darken this area totally. Okay, and you can see the branches here, just making it little bit darker. Okay, all right. So the few branches is the details for the trees on the top, you can see here. And later I'm going to put the green color on the top, and here some grasses. I'm just going to making it a bold outlook so that it's become a visibly pleasant. All right, so the girl sitting here is watching to the scenery, and the total things here are the dark in the ground. Okay, now we just need some green color and putting a shade of the black. You know, the leaves of the trees, its branches looks like the shades coming from darkness to the light color. All right, now the remaining parts is going to be the green color, so we're just looking to the light green, as you can see. So I'm going to take the light green next and put the color on the branches. So starting from the light green, it mixed up with the black in the below, so all other leaves may be the same style. Okay, here you can see it's just merging with the black formations in the divided points. Okay, so the places which are left blank, that's becoming the light green color and merging with the black variations which I did the previously. So these spaces are remained empty. Okay, and just merging with the black color, so the tree has the shades of the green and the black. Awesome. Now we are going to put a moon in the sky later. Okay, let's take another brush and The white color is going to be the moon, and around it we are going to put some stars here. So you can see the moon is a round shape, so I'm putting a round shape in the sky to define the moon. All right, and it's a solid white color. Okay, maybe we're going to make it a little bit broader. Awesome. Put some dots in the sky around it. So I'm putting some dots here, which maybe defines the stars in the sky. Sorry. All right. So you can see the lots of stars in the sky. And this is the actual outlook of the drawing. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.